All right, so another day on the 72 VW. Looking pretty clean after pressure washing it last time. And so two things today I want to focus on. I'm gonna lift it up and just start looking at the brakes, start taking them apart and getting stuff ordered so they're ready to go. My plan with it is just work on everything that's on the car, and then so it's all ready for when the engine's ready. So when the engine's ready, pop it in there and the rest of the car should be good to go. And yeah, that's the idea. And so other than that, what I'm really excited to do is I got some SOS pads, which should do a pretty good job of getting the rest of this primer off. I'll just go panel by panel and see how good that'll get this out. I want to get this original blue paint back out, which should be pretty satisfying to see that come through. So yeah, I'm gonna lift it up and start looking at those brakes. All right, got it up. So let's take a look at how clean I got it under here last time. Looks pretty good. I don't know how good it's popping up on there, but yeah, got a lot of dirt off from just lying on the ground and trying my best I could get. But so last time the brakes did lock up. So I think it's one of them or something, because they weren't working before, but then it became a pain to push. So yeah, just start taking, probably take this wheel off and start with this one and just start disassembling everything. These feel like golf cart wheels compared to what I'm used to. So I'm gonna go take the other side off. Same thing on the other side. Not that eventful, so I'll probably just skip over that, but next I'm gonna start cleaning up the body a little bit. So I think as far as brakes go today, that's as far as I'll get. Got the calipers off. I wanted to get into the drums and just, take them apart, but I forgot about having a nut or a bolt or a socket this big, which I don't have one of those here. But yeah, I think I'll just put it down and start cleaning up the body and just see how that goes. I'm excited to do that, so let's do it. So I want to start with this panel just because I feel like it's already got the most blue kind of coming through. So yeah, I'm gonna go for it. Coming out pretty good. Of course, around these curves it gets a little tough to get into, but I probably should have started with like a straight flat surface. Maybe it would have been a little easier to start with, but Yeah, that's how that worked out. I feel like maybe hitting right here. See how that looks.